Take a ride in the 2017 Jeep Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, 8 speakers, fog lights, security alarm, electronic stability control, CD player, power locks, power convenience group, trip computer, heated front seats, compass, Sirius satellite radio, brake assist. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.